Recovering a Reddit account from being shadow banned is not something that can be done manually, as shadow banning is usually a result of violating Reddit's rules or Reddit's automatic filters, flagging your account or content. However, there are a few things that you can try to get your account back in good standing. So, first of all, you need to understand the shadow banning. So, what is exactly a shadow banning? When your account is shadow banned, your post and the comments are invisible to others, but you can still see them on your end. Essentially, it is a form of a temporary ban that prevents others from interacting with your content. This usually happens when your content violates Reddit's content policy, the Reddit's rules, or when you get downloaded excessively by other users. And you can check if you're shadow banned. Use a shadow ban checker to verify if your account is shadow banned. Visit a shadow ban checker website like shadowban.eu and then put your username. And alternatively, you can also try to post or comment on Reddit and ask other users if they can see your post. And make sure that you understand why your account might have been shadow banned. Review the Reddit's content policy and community guidelines to identify what might have gone wrong. The common reasons include spamming or excessive self-promotion, violating the subreddit-specific rules, using the automated bot, or engaging in manipulative behavior. And if you believe that your account was shadow banned unfairly, you can reach out to the Reddit support team and get help. You can also try making changes to your account. Stop spamming. If the shadow ban is related to spamming or self-promotion, make sure that you refrain from doing this in the future. Make meaningful contributions by posting quality content, engaging in discussions, and following the Reddit's rules. Wait it out. Sometimes shadow bans are temporary and your account may be restored after a certain period if you adhere to the Reddit's guidelines. And if your appeal does not work and the shadow ban persists, you may need to consider creating a new Reddit account. Ensure that you follow all the rules to avoid a similar situation in the future. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.